Since fresh green peas are in season, today we are making crispy matar puri. On a cold winter morning, nothing beats the smell of frying kachoris. But we are making it healthier and crispier. We are using whole wheat flour instead of refined flour and a secret touch of suji to make the outer layer super crunchy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, let's make the outer crust. In a large bowl, add 1½ cup of whole wheat flour. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. To make these puris stay crispy for a long time, add 2 tablespoons of suji or semolina and mix everything very well. Now, add lukewarm water little by little. Make a dough that is soft but firm. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and 1 chopped green chili. Saute this until the raw smell disappears. Now add 1 cup of boiled green peas. Let's spice it up. Add half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix well. To bind everything together so the peas don't fall out, add 1 boiled potato. Season with half teaspoon of salt. And for freshness, add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Cook for 2 minutes. While cooking, use a potato masher to mash a little. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Now divide the dough into small portions and make smooth balls. Take a dough ball and flatten it slightly to create a small cup shape. Place a spoonful of matar potato mixture in the center. Bring the edges together and fold to seal it tightly. Make sure there are no cracks. Heat oil in deep pan. The oil should be medium heated. Gently slide the puris. Fry them slowly. Press gently with a spoon to help them puff up. Because we added suji and wheat flour, they will turn a beautiful deep golden brown. Once they are crispy on both sides, take them out. Look at that, puffy, crispy and full of flavor. Serve this with some pickle or potato curry. I hope you enjoy this healthy and tasty winter breakfast. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.